Welcome to Bharat Tech Talks, your very own technology channel, guys. Today we are going to talk about something which is very important if you are using WhatsApp. Now, how do you know, guys, that if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp? Now, there are a number of ways, but I am going to tell you 4 simple methods by which you will be able to simply know that if someone of your contact list has blocked you on WhatsApp. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, guys, the number 1 method is that if a particular contact has blocked you on WhatsApp, then in that case you will not be able to see the online status or the last seen status of that particular contact. Because normally what happens is that if a person has not blocked you, in that case we are able to see the online status or the last seen status of that particular contact. But in case a particular contact has blocked you on WhatsApp, you will definitely not be able to see his last seen or online status. So this is point number or method number 1. Second point, guys, or second method by which you can know that if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp is that in that case you will not be able to see the profile picture of that particular contact. But guys, question arises that in many cases the users they don't have placed a profile picture in WhatsApp. So how do we confirm that if we are not able to see a profile picture of a particular contact, that definitely means that a particular contact has blocked you? Well, in order to verify, what you can do is that for that particular contact for whom you are not sure that whether he has blocked you or not, you can see the profile picture of that particular contact on one of your friend's phone. If you can see his profile picture on your friend's phone but you are not able to see the profile picture on your phone, it means that particular contact has blocked you, right? This is method number 2. Method number 3, guys, it's very simple, that if you send a message to a particular contact, and normally what happens is that when we send a message to a contact on WhatsApp, first there is a single tick, and then after some time the message is delivered to that particular contact. That single tick becomes double tick on WhatsApp. Now in case a particular contact has blocked you on WhatsApp, that you will receive only a single tick even if you send a message to that blocked contact, right? It means that when you have sent a message to a blocked contact, the person who has blocked you, if you have sent a message to that particular person, you will see only a single tick in your WhatsApp message box, right? That single tick would remain there even after 4 hours, 24 hours. And if you see that single tick is still remaining there even after 1 day or 2 days, that particularly surely gives you an idea that particular contact has blocked you. So this is method number 3. And last but not least, guys, method number 4, it is that you will not able to call a particular person who has blocked you on WhatsApp. From this, what I mean to say is that if a person has blocked you on WhatsApp, then if you try to call that particular person, your call would definitely go, but you will hear a ring, right? You will definitely hear a ringing, but that ring would be going on the server of WhatsApp, not on the smartphone or mobile phone of the contact you have called. So this is also a pretty good indication that a particular person has blocked you. So guys, these are the 4 simple and coolest methods by which you can know that if a particular person has blocked you on WhatsApp or not. I hope that you will like these methods. So try using these methods and do let me in the comments box that how do you like the video. And guys, if you are first time on this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, thank you very much for taking your time out and watching this Bharat Tech Talks video, and as usual I will see you in the next one.